as you know, you're here with Uknowwho, and I'm on my little crocheting journey, doing things that I enjoy to do, things that calms my mind, things that put me at ease, and crocheting just happened to be one of those things. You already know I love to cook, but now I'm showing you another side of me in which I love to crochet. So let's show you what I've created. I came up with an idea to make myself a sweater. I didn't have a pattern or anything because I just decided to do it just to do it. So what I decided to do was, originally, if you look at the back, you will see this is granny stitch and this is a square. So this is a granny stitch square. Taking off this part. Taking off the black part. It's a granny stitch square. Okay? Then the granny stitch square, I didn't want to make it any bigger because the length was perfect. And so I said, let me just add to the sides. So I added some granny stitches in different colors to the sides, as you can see here. As you can see here on this side. Then I got to the front, and so I did a granny stitch rectangle on both sides. So this is this granny stitch rectangle. You can see where the rectangle began. Let me see. Holding this upside down. Oh, here we go. So this is the beginning right here and starting of the rectangle. And I did that on both sides. Then I put the front and the back together, leaving the sleeve area open. And originally I was going to do a granny stitch rectangle for the sleeve, but then I said, no, let me just add on and do the sleeve to the length that I want it to go to. So I basically added colors that would match the back, and I went on to the sleeve so it will match the body. Did the same on this side, and it matches the back. And I added for the sleeve to match the body on that one too. So then I put everything together, and I was like, should I do a hood or should I do a collar? So my twins, they were like, collar. So I made it with a collar. So that's the sweater. With the long sleeve and the collar. And I said, I'm not gonna stop there. No, why would I stop there? So I said, let me make what I'm always making, a hat. So I made a hat. A ruffle hat, a ruffle hat. I made a ruffle hat to go with that. What y'all think? So Then I could turn this inside out because this is the inside. I haven't worn this yet. I literally just finished making it. And here's the sweater. What y'all think? I could have made the sleeves a little smaller, but I actually like it roomy like this. It's like giving. It's giving. I can't wait to rock this. I don't know what I need to rock it soon before it gets hot out. But I'm ready to rock this. I gotta see where I'm going. Because when I step with this, I'm gonna feel good because I did this on my own, made it on my own. This is my fashion. This is Philly You Know Who fashion at its finest. Stop playing with her.